Hello, class. How are you? Very good. Class, today we will learn parts of human body. Are you ready? Yes. Good. Let's start our lesson. Arm. Arm. Ear. Ear. Eye. Eye. Face. Face. Foot. Foot. Lips. Lips. Hairs. Hairs. Hand. Hand. Leg. Leg. Nose. Nose. Teeth. Teeth. Tongue. Tongue. Very good. I hope you have understand. Watch the video again and again. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe our channel. If you want video on any topic, write us in comment. Thank you. Bye.